Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we are going to Malaysia on plane, and it's my first time going on a plane. I'm pretty nervous. I've just arrived to the airport. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take you guys together. You can see my experience and I can tell what not to take, what to take on the flight. I'll be telling everything in the video. Please tag along and watch the full video. So my whole family is here. They're standing like they just want a group photo. But that's my mom, my aunt, my cousin, my uncle. All of them come here for sending me off. Okay, this is the entrance of the Terminal 2. It's so pretty. Finally inside the airport. There's a lot less people comparatively. It's pretty empty looking. But the queue is a lot for baggage check-in. One thing I learned is exchanging money outside the airport is far more cheaper compared to inside. So I would say they charged around 21 rupees for me to have 1 ringgit, where here they're charging 24 rupees for 1 ringgit plus upon that charges, which comes around 28 ringgits. That's like very too expensive. So it's better you guys can take or exchange cash from outside. That's the place we have to go now and do our luggage check-in. That was the place for currency exchange. After the check-in we are going inside that. This is a coffee machine and let's see what's the price is. It's here. It's pretty cheap, I guess. 460 rupees for coffee. The drinking water is 70 rupees, and we go to burgers. There's only one burger which is around 470 rupees. Around 500 rupees for anything you have. That's what I can say. See, now you can see that there's a baggage coming in this conveyor belt. This will be going to that place, then it'll get scanned. After it gets scanned, it will get divided into which flight you're going to. That is my flight over there. It says it is delayed and I have to go to F27, F30. That's the place where I'm gonna like submit my baggage and stuff. See, it's delayed. And F is all the way there, you can see over there. In case you have more bags, you can take trolleys like these. You can put ample amount of storage in this. Now we are going and submitting our baggages, like the check-in luggage. This is where you do your luggage check-in. We had come to the wrong counter. So it's around 10 kgs and I'll be getting my boarding pass soon as it's getting printed. Just get my baggage over here. They're weighing it, it's around 10.9 kgs. I'll be getting my boarding pass. I have just got my boarding pass, passport and boarding pass. We have to go to C5 as they have mentioned it. So I'll be scanning. And here we go. That's it. So I was not allowed to film over there, but this is the whole immigration process. There are like many counters. They check over there, they ask you the questions and you can like come inside. They didn't ask much, they just asked where you're going. We told we are going for a project and they asked about the project. Then they asked if we have a letter from the project and we showed that. That was the whole immigration process. Then it's sealed, so mine is done. In this process we have to take all the electronic stuff which we have and put it in a bag. So rest of the stuff stays here, but all the electronics is out. So that's the place where they do all the checking and your baggage gets checked, all the carry-on baggages. There are many counters like this. I guess there are like really less people traveling, so the amount of people over here are pretty less. Our work of security checkup was pretty fast. It was around 10 to 15 minutes. Our flight is delayed even more. It says that we have to, our flight was actually expected at 1:30 and now the flight is around 6 o'clock. By the time we reach Malaysia, it's gonna be around 10 o'clock, I guess. But still, I'll keep you guys posted and updated. So let's see how it goes. We have duty free right here and I'm gonna be going and exploring every stall over here. So we have to be visiting through this, then we'll be going to the other part. We've not been inside. There's some waterfalls kind of stuff over here. If my phone falls, I'm gone. But looks really pretty though. It's not like Malaysia, but yeah. This is a whole new experience. I have done with all the security check-in of my baggage, got my boarding pass. The next step is to climb the flight and I'm actually excited for it. I don't know what time I'll be reaching since our flight has been delayed. Yeah, this was pretty easy. If you are a first timer like me, you can easily come and you can do all the check-in and stuff. I didn't know you could get snacks, but we bought few apples and you can also get water bottles if you don't know. Actually, it's so pretty. It's full made of bamboo. That looks so nice. I don't know what is that, but yeah. Now we'll be going to C4, right? Yeah, yeah, C5. We have to go to C5. Here it is from C1 to C6, so that's the entrance for us. That's where we are doing the boarding. This is so nice. Now it's a place to wait. The C5 is there. Airport looks so empty today. I don't know why. Look at the airport. It's like so empty. I don't know why it's so empty. Now I'm gonna show you the flights. This is the first time me seeing the flights. Oh my god. So many flights over here. Okay, there's the Indigo flight which we might board. There are only few flights, but I'll show you one of them flying now. That's 1, 2. So now we are going for flight exploration. That's the boarding which is happening. Finally we got some snacks. Yeah. So finally we are boarding the flight after a long delay. Because of the delay, they gave us a gift hamper and they gave him also a gift hamper. So everyone got one gift hampers because the flight was delayed. Done. So, yes, it's scanned and I'm finally able to go inside the plane.
और सीट बेल्ट पहने धूम्रपान और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों या मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग करना बंद करें।
So we are finally on the flight and give us snacks. I'm really hungry. That is the food they offered, but for the hunger, this is for the delay. So the hunger, it is worth it. Flimsy little whatever this is. Hey, that's my snacks. This is the washroom of the flight and it's pretty small and compact, but for the experience you have to try it. We have finally reached Malaysia and it feels kind of weird because you see all the faces, they're not Indian faces, they are like Malaysian people, they're like, the different changes you get, it's like kind of different, but it's fun. Now we're gonna find out where to go. We have to do the immigration first. So using this touchscreen we are finding out. We asked one guy but we basically didn't understand. We have to take the train for immigration and this looks crazy. And we're off the train. We are going for the immigration process now. I'm not quite sleepy because the timing varies from Bangalore to Malaysia. It's around 2.5 hours plus. We have just got the bags. The LED is so big. I'm like kinda exhausted, but still we got to have some snacks. I know it feels like there's no energy in the face, there's like really less energy. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna book Grab. It's a local taxi over here. We have installed an app. It's showing 71 ringgits, which is around 1400 rupees, right? So we're booking the cab using Grab app. That's a cab. It's yellow color. I don't know why yellow color, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll put it on my lap.
From where? India.
India.
Oh,
Bangalore.
oh. Holiday or working?
We are college purpose.
Oh, you're college.
We could spot some crazy sports bikes on the way, and that was a great entry for the nightlife of Malaysia. This is the view. Sorry for the bad video quality because it's night, and we're going towards our room. So we have to go to Block B. I've got the pass or whatever it is, and you can see there are like a lot of fishes over here. This is the Airbnb we are staying in. Yes, this looks really nice, but where's the lift though? One only enough. There's no light, but the view is like, dang, this is pretty nice. That's it for the vlog, guys, and please do subscribe, comment, share, like. Until then, peace out.